Let's go ahead and do a review of Kimola Cognitive, which lets you analyze and classify consumer rev. Use with a no-code machine learning tool. It's alternative to Amazon Comprehend, Monkey Learn, and Chattermill and would be best fit for marketers, entrepreneurs, and product managers who want a machine learning platform to streamline text data analysis. So let's go ahead and do a deep dive into Kimola Cognitive and see how it works. You can grab a lifetime deal for just $79, and for $79 you will get 10,000 queries per month. 1. Custom Mill Model. If you go for license tier 2, you will 35,000 queries per month. 2. Custom Mill Model. Want to get an extra 10% off Appsumo lifetime deal? I will leave a link in the description below where you can find all the information how you get 10% off every products. Kimola Cognitive is a no-code machine learning tool that gathers, analyzes, and classifies customer feedback to help you grow your brand. Kimola Cognitive makes it easy to analyze consumer reviews, products, services, and topics, so you can build better marketing strategies. Use the drag-and-drop interface to analyze text in over 6 languages, all without any coding. You can upload a dataset to understand the most popular terms in categories, like organizations, people, and locations. You'll also be able to generate a report to reveal customer insights with powerful search and advanced filtering options. Thanks to Kimola Cognitive's browser extension, you'll be able to anonymously gather consumer reviews. The browser extension allows you to create consumer review datasets, aka airsets, from supported media on the internet. Classifying online conversations and analyzing sentiment is also a breeze. Just scrape comments on mediums like YouTube, TripAdvisor, Appsumo, and G2 to get started. Choose from a gallery of ready-to-use machine learning models to monitor data like customer sentiment and hate speech analysis. Plus, Kimola Cognitive is constantly publishing new machine learning models and keeping them up to date for different business needs. So whether you're a corporate professional or social media influencer, you can automatically classify consumer reviews and leverage those insights for your brand. You can also create a custom machine learning model by training your own dataset to better understand unique consumer behaviors. Host all your custom machine learning models on Kimola Cognitive and access them via the user interface and API. The platform also lets you curate the highest performing statistical model for your dataset, which means you'll get the best accuracy rate possible. Without mind-reading superpowers, it's hard to know how your customers feel about your products and services. Where's Professor X when you need him? Lucky for you, Kimola Cognitive is packed with features to help you gather, analyze, and classify consumer sentiment, code-free. Use machine learning to power your research. Get lifetime access to Kimola Cognitive today.